2 years of planning, about £10 million, and we're about to see if this thing flies. I think I know what to expect, but no one can really tell what's going to happen. We're in the hands of Sir Isaac Newton here. We're going up the lift, no brakes, nothing. Once we're over the crown of this lift, we've just got gravity on our side. Lovely view. It's an amazing sensation. There's nothing beneath your feet. You're just hanging in space. It's, wow, here we go. Right, we're picking up speed and we're about to enter the first inversion, the first barrel roll coming up now. Feet through the air. Wow. Now we're getting faster and faster through a helix and into a 0G roll. Oh, wow. 3 seconds of weightlessness, a stall turn. We just stalled, and now down and through a vertical loop. Upside down, down into a tunnel. Wow. You really think your feet are going to crack against the rock. Now into another barrel roll, down and into another tunnel. Wow, and into the station. I invented this thing and I'm supposed to be impervious to this kind of thing, but that was the most sensational thing I've ever done.